Well, I have been fantastic, but I'm incomplete without you, sir. I'm incomplete without you.
Okay, thank you so efficient.
Yes, yes.
Great to see you again, bro. Great to see
Oh
you
my,
again.
oh my God. It's yeah.
Is
Tell me.
everything happen for you, bro?
Sorry, sir.
Is everything happen for you? Tell me, bro. I want to ask something. I know a lot more about you, but I don't know how many brothers and sisters do you have. Could you tell me something about your family?
Okay, Faisal, why you want to know? You are my brother. Like I am considering you as my brother. Do you consider me as my brother, as your brother?
Actually, I want to know about lot more about you.
Yes.
Not only you about you. I want to know lot more about you.
Well, that's true, brother. That's true.
Mm. Don't say that. Allah bless you. Allah bless you a lot.
Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Allah please me with knowledge. Allah give me a lots of knowledge.
Mhm. One day I hope you will be successful.
Well, I'm working for it. Well, I'm working for it, inshallah. Inshallah,
Uh,
inshallah,
Inshallah, bro.
inshallah.
Everyone, dua.
Yes.
Mm. So, bro, tell me.
You tell me how's going on in your life. What's going on?
So far, so good, bro. So far, so good.
Yeah. Well. What are you doing to learn English, Faizul? Tell me.
Bro,
Ah.
I learned this language for conversation.
Mm. Yes.
I just connect. I just connect people around the world.
How? How?
I as you know, I'm work Saudi Arabia, so here
Yeah.
many kind of people like Imani, Filipino, Nepali.
Mm-hmm.
So I
So
don't
you
know.
are. Yeah.
mm,
Tell me.
I don't know many languages, but I need to know English, just English.
Yes. Yes. So how you learning English language? Like nowadays we are speaking perfectly. The way you speaking, you have a courage. So how you learning English? I really want to know that. People will really want to know that how you learning
I
English.
just I just follow you, bro. You before you told me before you
Mm-hmm.
told me Khali wali mystic. So
Mm.
I think it's better for me. No problem, Khali wali mystic. You just
Yeah.
talk.
Yeah.
So it's everything for you, bro. Thank you so much. You
Well,
very support for me.
no. You deserve it, Faizul. You deserve it. This is I really don't. I didn't do anything.
I have expect. I have a expect for you. Before you told me don't mystic Khali wali. You just talk English. So
Mm.
so that's so, bro.
Well, you improving, brother Faizul. You are improving and you improved. MashaAllah, within 1.5 months, you improved a lot. You have a confidence. Do one thing right now. Do one thing. Read something. Read something. Read something in a sense. Rapidex English book. You know,
Oh, you told me, but I didn't find that.
it's available, brother. It's available in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, okay.
Find out more. Find out more. Or you can buy from Amazon. Amazon. Amazon.
Yeah, I know. Why not? I
You
know.
can you can buy from Amazon, sir. Faisal.
Okay, sure.
Tell me,
I'm not.
Faisal.
I'm not very of tea.
I'm not fond of a tea.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
say.
yeah, exactly.
इसका मतलब क्या है,
I'm
इसका मतलब क्या है?
इसका
मैं
मतलब मैं
चाय का
ज्यादा पसंद नहीं करते
शौकीन।
हैं.
हाँ, माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह। उसको फॉन्ड बोलने का, आई एम नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ टी,
Yeah, exactly.
बट आई एम वेरी
You're
फॉन्ड
right.
ऑफ टी। आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ टी, आई रियली लाइक टू हैव टी।
Yeah, exactly. So you know, bro, what happened? Daily life, what I need English sentences, so never forget. But sometime I need it. Sometime I need. So that time I forget.
That's because of you didn't practice. That's
Hmm.
because of you didn't practice the particular word which is used, we are using daily, a daily life, you know. So you should use the word, you know, so it will be easy to remember you. You're not gonna hesitate while talking with other. So the word which is you forget often, try to use while talking with people. Faisal.
Real life, I know very well how to make
No,
sentences,
don't say.
but
No, no, don't say like that. I know very well. You are learning, Faisal. You are learning,
I know
and
that, bro.
I'm also.
What I say, any real life, I know how to make sentences. But when I call you, that time I forget.
That's because of, you know, the way the when you are thinking, you will get lots of time, but while talking, we will not get time to think about. That's because of we are hesitating. That's because of we are stumbling, you know. We are stumbling sometime while talking, we forget the word. It
Mm-hmm.
happens, Faisal. It's a common mistake, Faisal. It's a common mistake around the world. Everybody gonna do same things.
Inshallah,
Everybody
bro.
has the
Inshallah.
same problem. You will achieve definitely. I believe on you, and I'm proud of you that you are my friend. That you will achieve your English language goal, inshallah, soon.
Inshallah, bro.
Okay,
So,
Faizul.
okay, bro.
So I have one more request. Is there like, if
Tell
somebody
me.
somebody people wants to learn English, just share. Okay, just share and subscribe. Tell them like that to people only.
Okay. So
And yeah,
I
tell
tell
me.
you one thing, bro. When I your YouTube channel, when I watch your video, then
Hmm.
coming ad, I I I I put my mobile, but sometime not good. It is not to see bad to see ad. So I not uh, what I say. I not,
Skip, skip, skip,
I not
skip.
skip, but I put my mobile on the table sometime.
Thank you, Faisal. Thank you for great help, brother. This is the only way that I really am getting something. I didn't get yet anything, but inshallah, if I'll get something money from YouTube, I will do something for you people. It's not for my purpose, brother. It's for you people.
Hmm.
I wanted to create an app for you people that if you want, if you want to, if you like, if you wanted to talk with somebody, if you want to practice, you can find easily, brother. You no need to find it, no need to talk to, no need to tell to me that Arif, I need
Hmm.
any person, that Arif, please talk to me. No, you can find your partner in through the app. And
Exactly,
if you
bro.
if you wanted to, like, if you wanted to support my work, if you really want to support my work, you can join the button also. There, just join button.
I
You
know.
can join, yeah, you can join as well. So it will be helpful for me also.
Okay, bro.
Okay, sir.
Definitely.
Inshallah, brother. Okay then, brother.